Oh, down the leg side, and it's a nice little tickle, which will go to the boundary.
Disappointed with himself. Yeah, that's connection. And that's up.
Well, we talk about fours, well, how about that? Oh, sweet timing. Again in the slot, and again it's even bigger. What a shot that is. Again, it's a rocket six. Oh, enough just to get it over the fielder. That is pure power. One bounce to the fence. It has just simply been terrific hitting.
He'll have an opportunity with the ball. Now that.
ভাই 1000 সাবস্ক্রাইবার লাগে লাইভ করতে পারি না ভাই, সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও ভাই। সোনা বন্ধুর মুখের হাসি যেন পূর্ণিমার শশী, সোনা বন্ধু তুই আমারে করিলি দিওয়ানা, মনে তো মানে না।